In today's video, I will walk you through how to fill and color shapes in AutoCAD. First, go to the Home tab at the top of the screen. Next, locate the Draw section and click on the Hatch tool. From the available hatch patterns, select the Solid pattern. Now, click directly on each enclosed shape that you want to fill. You can repeat this process for multiple shapes. Select each shape you want to modify until all the desired areas have been filled. Once you've finished filling the shapes, click on one of the filled areas to select it. The Hatch Editor tab will appear above the drawing area. In the Hatch Editor tab, locate the Properties section. This is where you can change the color of the selected hatch. Select the color you want to use, and the fill will update with the new color. To color additional shapes, select each filled shape and choose the desired color from the Properties section. And that's how to fill and color shapes in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching the video.